Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best hot Italian sub sandwich. It's going to be super delicious. So let me show you what I got here first. This is some butter and garlic with parsley in it, okay? This was going to make it the best. Okay, over here I have some cheese. Up in here, this is some cheddar, and this is provolone and mozzarella. And here's my bread that I'm using today. I got this from Myers when I was out of town. It's real good. It's like a cheesy bread or something like that. But you can use any type of sub you want to use. You can use like one like this if you want, or a smaller one, whatever kind you want, okay? All right, let me show you the meat. So right here is the ham that I sliced up. I will leave a link over here to where I slice up. I'll use my my deli slicer. So this is Italian, but no, this is just ham right here, and this is gonna be like, you know, Genoa salami, okay? That's what I'm using today. And let's go ahead and jump into it. So first of all, I want to take this butter, garlic, and spread some of that on here. This is what's going to make it pop. I did press like some garlic, fresh garlic in here. This is all you're doing, guys. Red Lobster, they had like a butter sauce for their bread. This is the same format that they use it, but they already pre-made up. So I'm gonna have to probably, this is like a half a stick of butter too, so that you know. And one garlic clove. So I'm gonna have to make another one because we're gonna put some on the top. So we're going to put that to the side. We're going to come in here with our cheese. I like to use the sharp cheddar first. Really delicious, guys. Hope you guys making some of these recipes. I'm telling you, I should have my own restaurant. There's a lot of work going into that, I'm telling you now. A lot of work going into having a restaurant, running a business. Alright, I'm gonna come in here with my other cheese, my white cheese. Got my oven preheating on 350. Try to get most of this to the edge as much as possible. Alright, I think that's enough. Gives a little bit more of this white cheese here. Spread that about. I'm gonna come in with my ham. Ham on both sides. The best, I'm telling you, is the best hot Italian sub. I'll come in here with my hard salami. You put as much as you want on yours. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven and let this cook for about 15 minutes on 350. And we should be done. Alright, See, wait, hold on. Let me go ahead and put this on the frying pan. Yes, sir. Turn it this way here. Just like that, guys. So that's how that looks. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. See you guys in a minute. Hey guys, I'm back. Just took this out the oven. This is how it looks right here. And it's hot. I don't want to hold it too long now. So I'm gonna put this back down here. It's hot. Anyway, take this butter sauce right here again. Just gonna brush some on top of it. And it's the best, no doubt about it. Hot Italian sub sandwich. Off the chain. Take you some of this Parmesan Romano. Sprinkle a little bit on there. And that's what you should be looking like. Best hot Italian sub sandwich from my home to your home. All right. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget that. That's right. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.